Hi everyone, my name is Melaine. I'm a first year in Columbia College and this is my room! Okay, so basic details. I live in John Jay Residence Hall on the 7th floor. I have a single. What? Amazing. It's really cool. It's close to all the dining halls and I 10 out of 10 recommend it. Highly recommend it. Yes, choose John Jay. John Jay! Alright, so let's start this tour with just like a little basic overview of my room. It's not a very big room, but so what you see is what you get, but I really like what I got. Oh my god, it's Doug Maui. Hello, Doug Maui.
What's up, friends?
So Doug Maui lives down the hall in a walkthrough double. This is our floor, and he's here to help with the room tour.
Let us observe. She has a fan.
I have a fan!
And there are books.
These are my books! Oh my god, these are books mostly from LitHum. I hope you guys will like them. The ones I didn't like I sold, so yeah, that's something you can do.
Get that
Doug Maui, do you know what LitHum is?
I don't know, it's this thing that some CC students take. C's life. Where'd you get this fish from?
I got it from the green sale! It was for $40.
Oh, I think they were selling it for $20 too. The cheapest one. Of New York, which I just saw.
New York.
Bronx, Queens. I've never been to either, I think.
It's okay, you'll get there. You'll get there.
I'm sad.
This one I got when I went to watch Jimmy Fallon on The Tonight Show. He's really cool. I really like him. I touched his hand. This is the hand. Say it again.
Okay, fine. Bye, Melaine.
Bye.
Adios.
This is my desk. This will be your desk too, that you will spend many late nights at. As you can see, I was doing some revision, but now I'm procrastinating. Yeah, more books. Most of these are also LitHum. Moving on from the desk, here we have some like drawers. A lot of people use their drawers to store clothes, but I use mine to store food. So basically like instant noodles that I brought from home that the US doesn't sell, some instant coffee mix, curry paste for when I cook with my friends, peanut butter from home that you can't get anywhere else, snacks, some Thai tea mix, and you know, things like that. And here we have socks and the like. And oh, this is just a mess of things I need to clean up. Ignore it. This is the bed that everyone will have. It comes with a mattress, don't worry. It's adjustable, so you could like theoretically make it this tall, but I'm short, so I don't. Oh, these are all the boxes that I keep. I'm kind of a hoarder, but I keep all my boxes so that when I'm moving out at the end of the year, you know, like it's easy. Oh, my shower caddy. Yeah, really helpful for when you go shower. I just set this up with like little like command hooks and like some string and some pins, like places that I've been to, just my family. A really cool poem I got once, picture of me and my friend, postcards that my friend wrote for me for my birthday. It's really good. A little tiny country over here, these two. That's my country and this is our flag. Got a lot to see here. I have some command hooks which are highly useful. I recommend them 100%. All my extra bags, a sweater organizer. Oh, and the closet has a full-length mirror, which is really useful. Yeah. And also, please get a Swiffer. Always get a Swiffer. So yes, this has been my room. I hope this video is helpful to you. And I hope to see you in the fall. Bye!